Guys, oh my dude!
What is up, guys?
Oh my gosh, guys. Look at that, guys.
Get up and put on the coffee. You know the sun won't last. Making my way to the country.
Oh my
Gonna
gosh.
catch a big old
So what is up, guys? 14 Outdoors. We are back, and today we will be fishing Valrico Lake. Make sure to stay tuned, because a giant will be caught. Thank you guys for watching. Let's get into it.
Oh my god. Dude, did you see how far he came flying out of the water?
Alright, guys, first fish, 10 pounder. Are you going? There, and then, like, on the 5th cast, bro. Probably.
I ducked and looked away. He caught Lily's guy too.
Fish number 2.
Probably just at 11.
Giant. It was like, oh crap. Oh crap.
Oh my god.
Oh, it came off. Alright, guys, fish number 3.
How weird he looks.
I know, he's skinny.
His head is big, his face is small.
What? Fish number 4, I think, right?
Yeah.
10 pounder.
Almost.
Here somewhere, but dude, that thing's so tiny.
Dude, I barely looked.
Alright, guys, fish number 6. Make that one an 8 pounder.
Dude, the hook just slipped out. Look how big he is.
That's a fish. Oh, that's a nice one, dude.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's not.
Oh my god.
Nice one of the day. Get the scale out. Get the scale out.
Oh, that's tiny.
No, it's not. It's the biggest one of the day, dude.
That's probably why oh, he just bit me. You got him?
Yeah. 2.4. 2.5.
Decent. Oh. Tiny.
It wasn't even. We haven't even. That was the first 2 pounder.
That was the first one. Yeah. Oh, give him that. Why is he not moving?
Because I'm dragging him too fast.
He's alive.
Alright, guys. Fish number 8. Dude, we're doing better than last time
Yeah, I know.
already.
And we started off slow.
Let's go. 0? Oh my gosh. Alright, guys, fish number 9. We gotta weigh that one. Too flat. Too flat.
Oh, why do they do that when the thing's in there?
Because they don't like it.
You don't like it?
Oh, son.
Oh, first cast in those pads.
Fish number 3. Wait. Number 13. Hold it up. There we go. Yeah, there was probably more.
2.5.
Dude, my GoPro spun in a circle. Alright. Fish number 14. Let's go.
Yeah, that's what I was like, what the heck?
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
What?
look, turn him around. The other way, like, look at his back.
Oh my.
He probably ate like a stick.
No, dude, he's probably got scoliosis.
My designated gripping fish spot. No way! Are you serious?
Dude, as soon as they hit the water.
No. 8 to 7, that's number 15.
Dude, my camera. Alright, guys. Next cast. Number. Ow. Number 17. Let's go.
That was immediate.
Alright, guys. Fish number 16. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Dude, calm down. Here. Woo!
First cast. Oh, how big do you think this is?
That's a 6-pounder.
Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. First cast. Oh my god.
The camera's on.
It's on?
Yeah.
Bro. I think I did good and didn't. We got a scale. I think I did good and didn't flip out. $6.11. 6.11.
Oh my gosh.
I got him.
Alright, guys, fish number 17. Oh my gosh, there he goes. Oh my. Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Alright. Oh my gosh, are you serious?
Number 18.
Number 18.
Going for the big.
Oh no! No! Oh my gosh, he flung it off. This is the male. Because the female blew up over there.
I'm camera on.
Fish number 18.
We just need 2 more and we'll get.
I know. That one! No, he's not. He was stuck in the lily pads.
1 more.
Alright, guys, number 19. Number 19, guys, of the day.
So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. 14 Outdoors, signing off.